Welcome back to another this guppy plus this guppy equals this guppy type video. This time we took a male Santa Maria Endler and a female yellow Cobra Guppy. We placed them in an aquarium with Barry White playing in the background on loop and left them for around 5 months. And this is the result. So on the left we have a colour morph that looks very similar to a normal Santa Maria, except it doesn't have the orange strip all along the bottom. It does have the black, as you can see, and on the chest it has a kind of faint yellow tinge. Essentially they're a poor man's Santa Maria, but I personally really like these guys. On the right we have the other colour morph, which is more similar to the yellow Cobra parent. The light's not really showing it right now, but displays some of the Santa Maria traits, as in it has some of the black bar at the top. However, it's just nowhere near as nice as the others. So that's it for this cross. We were hoping for something a little bit more interesting, kind of a guppy that was a hybrid of the two rather than two quite distinct colour morphs. But there you go, as you breed the guppies and endlers together, you never know what you're going to get.
Like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.